Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up a standby watch face on a Huawei Fit watch. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's side button to open the menu. Select Settings from the menu. In Settings, select Display. Tap Standby Watch Face. When you swipe from right to left, you can see the Standby Watch Face options. Tap a watch face to select it. Note that setting a standby watch face will cut your battery life in half and will disable Raise to Wake. Tap the tick to continue. Now, when your watch goes into standby, there will be a standby watch face. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.